When bad weather hits, protect your loading dock with the Rain Shroud. Traditional dock seals let in rain or snow from the tops of trailers, creating slippery and hazardous conditions. Water running off the tops of trailers leads to wet, icy floors, posing a serious safety risk to employees by causing slips, trips, and falls. It also damages goods, soaking products, increasing waste, which impacts both your bottom line and efficiency. Gaps between your dock seal and trailers allow contaminants like dirt, dust, birds, and pests into your facilities, which could be flagged during safety audits. But there is a solution. The Rain Shroud is designed to direct water away from your dock to keep your area dry and safe. Its durable foam wiper blade prevents water damage and reduces slip hazards. Combined with any existing dock seal or shelter, the Rain Shroud is built to withstand tough Canadian weather, ensuring your loading dock operates smoothly, no matter the forecast. Contact Northern Dock Systems to learn more today.